Finding your next shampoo. That's what this segment is for, seeking out a cleansing set that's perfect for you. And if this is your first time watching, hello, this is Modern Man TV and my segment called Shampoo Search, where we explore different cleansers and create a visual catalog to help you do just that. Find your perfect cleanser. And if you wouldn't mind considering hitting that subscribe button for me, since you're pretty much there anyway, that would be awesome. I appreciate that very much. And today our search is going to take us back to basics, so to speak, as in Basic Maintenance Labs. We looked at one of their other offerings in another video, and today we're examining their Formula 7 and Formula 8 shampoo and conditioner. This is the complete scalp and hair care duo from Basic Maintenance Lab, which they say is trichologist recommended and salon approved. And this duo works together to not only clean the hair, but restore it from the inside out. Starting first with the shampoo now, this is designed to be a total factory reset for your hair. It starts off by getting rid of all the grime and old product from your hair. It then utilizes its ingredients to preserve the structural elements of your hair to maintain daily function and eliminate other various issues that sometimes come up. Some of those other functions include dandruff elimination or antifungal help, growth assistance, help with balancing your scalp biome, and restoring your proteins. It's also free of all those scary things like SLS, parabens, DEA, and it is not tested on animals, which is always good to see. Here's a full list too of the productive ingredients for you to look at real quick, and you can see there's a ton here. Keratin, argan oil, jojoba, vitamin E. There's just a lot going on there you can look at, and price-wise, we are looking at $41 Canadian or about $30.12 US for 12 ounces of product. Moving over to the conditioner now, and this, looking at their site once again, does a lot of what the shampoo does to begin with, besides the cleansing aspects, of course, but you can see it too provides volumizing assistance, growth help, protein restoration, antifungal properties, but of course the biggest difference here is the hydration. That's the name of the game here with any conditioner really, and it's no different here. This, they say, is designed to provide a protective yet flexible shield around the individual pieces of your hair, the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. You can see here too for yourself, they've got another long list of things they provide with this conditioner and about the same list of awesome ingredients with just a few changes like shea and tea tree oil. Price-wise here, we do have the same price of $41 Canadian or about $30.12 US for 12 ounces of product. And now that we've examined the details on this set, let's see what it can show us. I'm going to start with the typical shampoo scenario, wet hair in need of washing, obviously. I'm going to use a normal amount of shampoo, get it all worked in, and as usual, I'm basically killing time here just so you can get a look at the shampoo on my head. There's not really much to say in this position because it, seems to be doing its thing. If my hair were to spontaneous catch on fire, in other words, we'd be able to see it right now. Thankfully, though, it didn't do that. But because they are offered separately, they are two separate products, I am going to give you a look at just this shampoo here after drying my hair, just in case you choose to use this alone. And what I see here is actually a pretty good result. I never actually go with just shampoo alone personally, but one of the things I do look for in a cleansing set is this right here, the ability to use the shampoo alone or even the conditioner alone. I feel like in order to be a good set, each one has to work really well on its own and together. So I feel like the shampoo checks that box here for sure. Now though, we're going to go ahead and reset and use the conditioner. And I can tell you in this case, this is one of those conditioners that really feels smooth in the hand and leave even your hands feeling moisturized. It just moisturizes everything. And usually that's a big sign to me as how well this works as far as hydration goes. And seeing how it hydrated my hands, it gave me really high hopes for what would come of it later. Once again though, after killing some time doing my conditioner mohawk, letting it sit there for a few minutes and then rinsing it out, here's the result after drying, and I think it looks great, honestly. It's soft, it's got some bounce or body to it, and what I really like is I can see the different things that it says it provides. I can actually see them. I can see the clean hair, of course. I can see the volume, the hydration, the overall healthy look and feel. I mean, everything here seems to check out. And that's pretty much it. There you have it. Everything seems to check out. There's not much else to say. This cleansing set, by all evidentiary appearances, seems to do what it says it does. I do, though, think based on feedback from some of you in past episodes that the price might be on the higher side, and yes, I acknowledge that too, but I also know that's subjective, and some folks are perfectly fine paying for a product that is well made, contains awesome ingredients, performs well, and is at this price point. And in my opinion, this is just that. I also know that for some of you, that's a deal breaker at this price point. So as I always say, the final verdict is up to you. And if you'd like to check out this cleansing set from Basic Maintenance Lab, you can find a link to their shop in the description down below. That's it for this episode of Shampoo Search. Thanks so much for checking this out with me. Make sure you do the big three for me: like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, take it easy. I'll see you next time.